Hello, it's Gals and Grace, and we're happy that you're joining us today. Amber and I are going to be cleaning my house, and I'm going to make her do my stove. So I'm going to give you just a quick little tour of what we will be doing. Starting with the dining room, which is really simple. There's not much to it. You can see my kitchen table that I love, but we're going to be redoing it. That's another project. So we have the dining room, and then we have the kitchen that is also a schnoz de mess. Show you that. I just made some chili for dinner tonight, and we have a disaster here and a disaster over here. Lots of stuff on the counter, but we're gonna get it spanking fresh.
Trish, what are you doing with all those cans? Oh, chili.
That was just beans that I just used for our chili that we're gonna enjoy tonight. Then we move into the living room, and it is also a disaster, but we're gonna get it all nice and clean. And today Kyra's clean, so we don't have to clean her. She's not a mess today. The windows are dirty, everything needs to be dusted, the floors are
Hi, Kyra.
a mess. Here's our little baby Kyra. And so here we go. Let's clean this mess.
Gals in God's grace.
Okay, so usually I like to start, or we like to start on the hardest area, or the area that we least like. But this is actually one of the easiest areas or rooms in the house, so we're starting here. I'm cleaning the wood table and vacuum underneath, and because it's so easy and we're having so much fun, we're just shaking our booties. And
Did you guys happen to catch that cute little dance Trish did? If you missed it, make sure you rewind and take a look, because she is super cute, rocking out.
So what's this, Amber?
I'm using this bucket that I got from, where did I get that?
Oh, I love your polka-dotted socks. I can't hardly look and see what you're doing because I'm just focused on those cute, warm, cozy socks.
Because I was freezing. You have wood floors, which are gorgeous, but I was so cold. I had to put something warm on my feet. But this is a mop that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. I had a coupon.
So cool.
So it's a spin mop. I know there's a lot of spin mops out there. And I'm just using your all-purpose cleaner to make some floor cleaner. And I'm going to mop your floor for you, Trish.
And you're going to clean my stove?
And I'm going to clean your stove. But
Awesome.
That's coming up later.
Perfect. Look at that. Oh my goodness. See, they're all so different. Mine's a little bit different than that, but they actually work really good. All right, you go, girl.
Super speed.
Start working on those floors.
Don't you wish we could clean that fast?
Don't you wish you were hot like Amber? Look at her go on those floors. And she's even kind of like twisting her body so she gets like those side abs. Oh my gosh.
It is a good workout. Hey, you're getting cardio done while you're cleaning.
Exactly. And look at you go. You're really getting some cardio.
If only it was really this fast. That'd be amazing.
Oh my gosh.
So we didn't have a whole lot to do in the dining room. This is our finished project. This table is a long-standing overdue project that Trish and I actually have had it on my to-do list probably for at least a year, that I was going to help Trisha strip this table and stain it. So when is that gonna get done, Trish?
After my bedroom gets done.
Okay, so it's on our to-do list. We're gonna get this table done eventually, but for now, it is nice and clean.
Woohoo! Okay, Amber, this is where I'm gonna struggle, and I'm really gonna need your extra focus, because this kitchen's overwhelming for me. I've got like 3 projects going on. The silverware that still needs to somewhat be shined and put away from Thanksgiving, and then just junk. I made the flowers for the table, and I've got paintbrushes from another project I did yesterday. It's overwhelming.
Trish, it's okay. We'll do one thing at a time.
Okay.
You can get started on the dishes, because
Okay.
I think it's good to start with a nice clean sink.
Okay.
And then
You can do my stove.
yeah, I'll do your stove.
Yes!
So you do the dishes, I'll do the stove,
Okay.
and then from there everything will just kind of
work itself out. Thank you. And if you see me stopping on the dishes and refocusing somewhere else, will you just pull my ear and say, no, Trisha, the dishes, and I'll get right back to it. Okay. Okay. All right, let's go.
I can't wait for Amber to start enslaving over my stove. Oh, there she goes. Amber, you are doing such a great job. Just about.
All I did was spray something. What was that?
I think that was the orange clove.
Mrs. Meyer's orange clove.
Look at you go, girl. And let me tell you, the finished project was like a project.
We say finished project when we're done cleaning. Is cleaning a project?
Okay, it's a task. It's a chore. Well, I guess it all depends on how you look at it.
It's perspective.
Right.
So we say project because we enjoyed it. Maybe?
Okay, so what's cleaning for you? Do you enjoy it?
I do. Well, I do. Having new cleaning products that smell good makes it fun for me. And I love listening to podcasts, music, and even watching YouTube videos while I clean. And then it's fun. And when I'm with a friend,
it's even better.
It's a party.
What about if her name is Trisha?
Especially if her name is Trisha.
Perfect. Okay. Well, you are doing an amazing job. Look at you. I don't even clean my stove that well. You are rocking it.
Well,
thank you.
You're one of my best friends. I had to clean your stove for you. You clean my stove when you hate cleaning them. That's so right. I had to do a good job for you.
Little does Amber know that the refrigerator is next.
Uh-oh. I don't think I love cleaning refrigerators.
You will after you're done with mine.
Why? Will it be satisfying?
Yes.
Okay. Coming up. Refrigerator clean.
Yes.
Disaster. Trish, what happened?
My soup was overflowing.
Oh my gosh. Little disclaimer here. As you see Trish working so hard on these dishes, I'm sitting next to her and I'm watching her fall asleep.
No.
Poor girl. Stop. She's so tired.
Don't be silly. I am not. No way. I'm actually, my eyes are wide awake because I'm watching. I'm like, who's that girl doing those dishes?
Trisha's like me. She's a morning person. And once it gets late, she's like done.
Yeah. Well, hey, we both wake up really early in the morning.
That's true.
We put our day in. We go to the gym. The gym just shows a little bit better on Amber's biscuits than mine, but we're working on that.
But Trish is way too nice to say, Amber, I'm tired. You need to leave right now. She just falls asleep.
Absolutely not. No, because I don't want Amber to leave. How about that? I don't want Amber. Amber, I want you to stay. Why don't you stay?
You do have a nice guest bedroom. I just want to take you up on that.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so now I'm going to clean my kitchen sink, and I'm using Comet. I love the bleach smell. I'm a bleach girl. Just a little bit goes a long way, but I love it because my mom used it growing up. It brings back my mommy feelings, and that's the best. So I'm going to clean it out and be done, son. Then we can call it good. Kitchen's clean, and we can move on into the living room. Here we go.
Oh, I get to use my mom cleaner. I just love it. It smells so good.
This is a precursor to the granite stuff we're going to be using right here, right?
There you go. Mom cleaner. Don't look at my butt. Yay.
Do look at her butt.
No, after the first of the year, it's on like Donkey Kong. That butt is going to be withering away. Yeah, how could you miss them? Okay. No knock policy. I need to not put myself down.
You are gorgeous.
I am gorgeous. I am hot. I'm a size 2 and I'm loving it. Look at that size 2 body right there.
You're a hard worker and you are going to get right on track.
Yes,
and you're going to get me back on track because I've fallen off that track.
Do I
so
still
our
get to eat
cabooses
cookies?
Are going to get back on the track. How do you like that?
There you go. I love it. Wait, do I still get to have some cookies every now and then?
Of course.
Oh, good.
Don't deprive yourself.
Okay.
That's the key.
3 or 4 times a day?
No.
Oh, darn. Okay.
That's not the key.
Okay, that's not the key. Ooh, look how that shines.
Yes, it looks really good. Thanks.
Okay, just for the record, I am incredibly grateful for my counters and my home. I could not I'm very, very grateful, but black is not back. And I would love my white countertops again.
I do
Maybe
like black,
someday.
but that is a lot of black on the countertops.
It is.
I like touches of black. Oh, you're talking. Actually, you weren't saying anything that we could hear, so we're back to talking about our nonsense while you guys watch the cleaning video.
Yeah, but hey, at least we're getting the job done, right?
Here we are, clean kitchen. It is all done. Nice clean granite countertops, clean appliances, clean stove that I got to clean for Trisha since she was such a good sport and cleaned mine. You know what? Good friends clean each other's stoves.
That's right.
And Trisha's
Dinner.
cooking us some dinner in there. It's all clean. Nice candle. Trish, what candle is that? That's the patchouli. 96 patchouli amber. We got that at Marshall's, right?
Right.
That little tea towel there is from Grove Collaborative. And we're done with the kitchen. And now we're gonna move on to the living room. So this is what we're starting with the living room. We've got a pile of shoes over there by the door. We need to do some dusting, some fluffing of pillows, vacuuming, a little bit of moving things out of the room that don't belong there. Not the Binks though, she can stay.
Now, it's kind of hard to see. You might be able to see a little bit, but I have that really pretty rug in the center. We got it at Lowe's when we bought the house. And when we read the reviews on it, they said that it wasn't really the best because some of the little pieces out of the rug come up and it's not really great for cleaning. But we liked it so much, we're like, oh, we'll figure it out. Well, I found the darndest time with it, and we would like to know if you want to see us clean that rug. Ooh, I like that. Wait, clean that rug.
It sounds like ring that bell. Yeah, do that too.
Okay, yeah, do that. But we're gonna research it and see if we can figure out how to clean it properly. And if you want to see a video on it, let us know. Amber, you are working so hard. I'm really proud of you.
Hey, you too, Trish. It looks like I'm sliding on the floor, skating backwards.
Ooh, Michael Jackson.
Not quite, but okay.
And we have some beautiful fresh flowers for the finishing touch.
From Trader Joe's.
Love them.
And the living room is done. We dusted, Windexed, vacuumed, and mopped the floor, fluffed the pillows. Trish put out some fresh flowers. Look at the girls over there. They're very impressed with all our hard work. That is it. Trish has a clean living room, dining room, and kitchen.
Yay!
It looks really nice, Trish.
Thanks, Amber, for all your help.
Look, it's dark outside now. It took us all day, but it was worth it, right?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for joining us for another cleaning video. We hope that it inspired you.
This was a lot of fun. Amber worked her little tush off while I encouraged her.
Don't let her lie to you. She worked hard too, and she worked really hard at my house too, so it's okay.
I did. She cleaned my stove. And you know what? I didn't realize how bad it was. I mean, it's pretty bad when you have to put baking soda on there. Eee.
That's normal.
Yeah, thank you. You're such a good friend. Yeah.
We want to know what you use to clean your stovetop. Today we used the multi-surface cleaner, and then we added some baking soda to get some little extra scouring power going.
Yep.
So we're curious. What are your hacks? How do you clean your stovetop?
And we'd love for you to leave a comment in the comments below.
Make sure you subscribe, ring that bell, and press the like button.
Until next time, bye.
Bye.